Since the Supreme Court overturned Roe versus Wade last summer, there have been ongoing battles on abortion issues. The latest episode surrounds the so-called abortion pill. Alex Miller explains.
Abortion access is about to be back up for debate.
My body, my choice.
A Texas judge in April ruled mifepristone, the most commonly used abortion medication in America, was not approved correctly by the Food and Drug Administration more than 2 decades ago, and that it should be banned nationwide. That set off a court process now on the steps of the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in New Orleans, but not before it made a pit stop at the nation's highest court. 7 Supreme Court justices agreed to stay the decision, meaning the drug can still be used pending the appeals court decision, a relief to medication advocates like Kirsten Moore.
We don't take that for granted.
Justices Clarence Thomas and Samuel Alito were the only 2 to dissent, with Alito writing the drug makers, quote, are not entitled to a stay because they have not shown that they are likely to suffer irreparable harm in the interim.
I don't know how that's not irreparable harm. Your business basically ceases to exist.
While we have backup drugs that we can use, this is the most effective one. And we know that there will be a substantial harm if it's taken off the market.
American Medical Association President Dr. Jack Resnick says not only is this the main way physicians manage abortions, but miscarriages as well. But anti-abortion advocates say the drug was approved too quickly and is not safe for women.
When it comes to the safety, there's virtually nothing the FDA can do because of the way that this drug acts on a woman's body.
Mary Zock of the Family Research Council says the FDA should be making sure these drugs are safe and believes it hasn't done its due diligence.
They failed to do that in this case, and they should be held accountable for that.
But records show there were 4 years between the FDA application and approval.
Even when it first came up for approval, asked for more and more studies. We have just extensive data. We know that it's safe and effective.
Moore says the FDA is no stranger to these kinds of lawsuits, but up until this case, judges have deferred to the FDA's scientific expertise.
It's been really more around interpretation of the law. Congress gave you this authority, they didn't give you this authority. You didn't treat this patent correctly, so this generic is not approved. And that split between courts giving FDA deference, FDA also gives courts deference. So if a court orders FDA to do something, FDA typically does it.
Even further, there are concerns a decision in favor of opponents of abortion could change the way the courts handle any drug approval by the FDA.
That is going to have a chilling effect on our ability as drug makers, as drug sponsors, to continue to innovate, because it just throws everything up into the air.
You could imagine that pretty soon we'd start seeing lawsuits because somebody doesn't like contraceptives, or somebody doesn't like HIV drugs, or somebody doesn't like cancer drugs that happen to have been tested on stem cells.
Alex Miller, Scripps News, New York.